Hey guys, here I will show how to paint a vertex color into separate channel in Blender. Usually we all know in Blender we can paint vertex color with combined RGBA channel. So here I will show you a way to paint RGBA channel separately. Here already I painted few layers and I name it RGBA. Okay, this is a simple material node setup. In the material mode, I'll see the channel of every color attribute here. I will choose each layer. You can see the paint what I done. For the OR layer, I only painted in this area and all the rest of the things are black. So even the separate RGB also similar like that because it's all combined the same RGBA. Okay, if I choose some G channel, see red, green, blue, all are same. Even in alpha there is nothing. It's fully white. Same goes to B also. In RGB, three channels are same. In alpha channel there is nothing. If I choose A, in color there is nothing, but in alpha channel I painted like that. Here you have a question. So in vertex paint mode, if you choose a color, there is only RGBA. Then how did you paint alpha? Just come to brush setting, just erase alpha and add alpha. You used to create this. In alpha layer, so there is no colors, such as it's fully white. So now I will show some techniques to combine all these into a single channel. So we can delete the rest of the channel. We can keep the newly created one. So here I created one like RGBA, same face corner by color, and keep it the color. Anyway, it doesn't matter because we are going to change all the RGBA channel. Now I'll just delete the material for now and come to the geometry node. Go to your modifier tab and create the modifier. Here, this is the node which I created. It's a very simple node, not that much complicated. First of all, I added store name attribute node and choose the bicolor and face corner. This is a layer of color attribute which we created last for the sake of combining all the other RGBA channel into RGBA. Here I will use the name attribute to choose a layer of color attributes. So I have three. No, actually I have four. In each attribute, I choose a painted one like R layer, G, B, and A layer. Here, this node will separate only the red channel from this R color attribute. Similar like green, blue, and alpha. And in last, I combine all this into single, and I just added the input to here. Now just go to the modifier, simply click apply. Now we can check. I just choose the material again. Go to the material view, and here I change this into RGBA. Now you can see. Now it's combined the RGBA color, RGB. Here, see the red channel, green channel, blue channel, and the alpha channel. Yeah, guys. Then we can remove all the other channels and keep it this one. Thank you, guys. I hope you find something new. It will resolve some of the issue you are facing now. Bye bye.